Device died mid-meeting? Looking for a battery savior? Introducing the BAVIN PC1112 Powerbank. Experience 65 watts fast charging, supports laptop charging, supports 65 watts Type-C charging, and lightning fast charging. Meeting without hustle, fits anywhere. Charge 4 devices simultaneously. Wide compatibility for all of your devices. Charge while in use. Experience ultra-fast charging with its 65 watts power output. Bi-directional charging. Ergonomic design. Has a multiple ports. Has built-in cables. Available in white and black. That's the BAVIN PC1112. Get yours now!